Hi, this is Abhijit, and I'm from Odisha, and I have completed my MCA from Gift College, and currently I am working as an IT recruiter in Collabra, and I have transitioned from a recruiting background to an data analyst background from Data Gyan, and I have started my career in 26th June in Data Gyan, and I have completed uh, courses in SQL, Excel, Tableau, Python, PowerPoint, data analytics, and currently I'm pursuing. So I have completed my courses in HR analytics, and I have got the best faculty over here, and they have helped students to gain a pretty much knowledge that is required for industry standards. They have helped me in resume building, then team management, understanding the requirement, and they have completed uh, 3 to 4 projects over it. And I would rate 9.8 out of 10 because I have learned a lot. And today on 3rd October, I am completing this course, and I believe I'll be getting a job very soon, and I'm pretty much confident about it. And I would rather suggest and refer each and everyone in this organization. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Shahrukh Shah, and I am from Kolkata. I have done my BTech degree in SDIST College from the CSE background, and I have joined Data Gyan to learn about data analytics on the 25th of June, and it was a 3 months course. And in this 3 months, I have learned about Tableau, SQL, PowerPoint, Python, and lastly the data analytics part and data management part. I have completed over 3 to 4 total projects in this field when I was learning about data everything. And the best part about this course will be the faculty, and also it's being totally online because of the COVID-19 issues. We are getting this online course, which is very much like recommended, and I will give this course a 8 out of 10, and I will suggest to my friends highly to join this course to get the industry standard education they need to advance in their career. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi and I completed my BTech from JP University in CSE background, and I was pursuing this data analytics course from the last 3 months with DataGyan, and today I've completed it, and it was definitely a best course to upskill my all of the data analytics skills, that is a Microsoft SQL, uh, ML, then Tableau, then all the parts of Python. So the best thing about this course is that the faculties are very much reachable. You can connect to them anytime, maybe any hour. They'll definitely help you out. And during this Corona pandemic, it was possible that from work from home we were able to connect, and it was totally online live classes. And I would rate it 9.5 out of 10. And I would highly recommend this course to everyone in my area. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Santosh. I am completed my BTech from GIT Gunupur, Odisha. So I have completed data analytics course from Data Gyan. Today is the last day, that is 2nd October 2020, where I have learned many things which is related to industry standard skills like MS Excel, SQL, Tableau, then data management, a lot of skills apart from the main skill. There are a lot of skills which I have learned from here, and the faculties from different companies and top-notch companies, and they have guided a lot of things, and I'll highly recommend you to take this course who are planning to transition into their careers. So I'll give rating out of 9 out of 10 for that again. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Akanksha. I am from Odisha. I have completed my BCom from Ravenshaw University. Today only I have completed my data analytics course from Data Gyan. Here the skills I have covered are MS Excel, SQL, Tableau, Python, and PPT. So I would rate 10 out of 10 because as a fresher, I was not thinking that I would get a career transition from a simple BCom graduate to data analyst. So I would rather suggest to everyone who are wanting to come across this field, you can come and you can excel in this field. Thank you.
My name is Aswat Pradhan, and I have completed MCA from SIME Bhubaneswar. So recently I have completed 3-month internship from DataGyan. So it was a really fascinating experience for me. Did courses like SQL, MS Excel, Tableau, Python, and PPT. So it was really a fascinating experience working with DataGyan. The faculty is very passionate and dedicated for the students, and I would like to recommend everyone not to go with other fake courses online, but to choose DataGyan for their dream job. And I would rate DataGyan 9.5 out of 10. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Swastika. I am from Kolkata. I have done BTech from HIT, West Bengal. I have done 3 months. Today my course is completed. So I would like to rate 10 out of 10 because it was very helpful for as a fresher to upgrade knowledge and with the latest technique and tool to analyze data. Thank you.
My name is Sunandita. I have completed my data analytics course from DataGyan, and I have learned a lot from this institute, like MS SQL Server, Tableau, Excel. Even carrying 10 years of experience, I feel this is the real platform, and everyone should join this course and take the real industrial experience from here. Coming to the rating point, if you ask me to rate the course, I would rate 9.5 out of 10, and I would recommend everyone to take up this course and upgrade their skills. Thank you.
Thank you.